I'm gonna look something to wear. Right here, so God. Let's turn the light on. Alright, so guys, I have turn it on. Camera can't turn on. Anyway, I have two closets. This one is really my work clothes supposed to be in here. My other closet have the going out clothes. But let's see if I can find something in here. Where? I don't know. I'm always looking for the black stuff. Which t-shirt is? Oh, which one is this? Alright, so I'm gonna wear, I think I'm gonna wear this one and a black sweatsuit. So see, I find clothes in here. So I think the sweatsuit is around by the other closets. So you have to hurry. Let's go around there. So I don't know where the camera now turn around. Look for the sweatsuit bottom. I wonder if I wear that. I could wear this one. Still have on the tag. But I don't know, I just want to wear the full black. I don't know if my dopey or always want in a full black. But, oh, eat this right. That's just see what they will find. Oh my god, guys, guess what? I have a Shein review for the some tights that I bought from Shein. They are so good. I want to look a review. Tomorrow in Sigma, I'm going to Sigma. I want to do the review before Sigma come want to help me decide which one of the tights to wear, or if I'm supposed to wear the tights any at all. So when am I gonna do that? I'm gonna come back. And I'll come back later on. Because I don't want it to be too late. But I'm late right now. So I can't even stop to do that right now. So I'm just gonna head out on the road. And then when I come back later on, I do that. I have enough time to do it because I need enough time off for it. I haven't done Sigma like from COVID. COVID come around, I don't go to Sigma. I didn't go last year because I was pregnant, duh. And then this year Sigma, I haven't had enough training. I feel like when I run a 1K, that's the most because I max out after 1K, but I'm gonna go still. It's my first running event since I've had my incident in 2019. That was.
Where are you on my shirt?
Sorry, no, it's not your shirt. Here, watch this. Sure, I'm going to take out. So I'm mega mart. People mega mart. BK. Sometimes I come here in the mornings and they aren't even working their drive-through, man. So I'm happy I saw 2 vehicles in the drive-through, so I know I'm gonna get through here. So she wants a chicken sandwich, she said. American chicken sandwich. Hello?
Good morning.
Good morning. Can I get an American chicken sandwich, please? Combo? Coke? No, that's it. Okay. Be careful with it, you know. Be careful with it. I can look at it. I'm gonna have this. Oh my god, because what the hell am I doing? First window 1040. I have to look for the 1040 today. I said, hold up. I don't break my thing, you know. I'm not don't look at me anymore. Oh, I can't use cards. I'm gonna use the card. Meshe K's money is on this card. So this card is hers, all her expenses. I cover with this card. Yes, you can tap it.
There you go.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Alright, thank you. That wasn't long. That's like a minute. Guys, I can't find my Apple Watch. I worked yesterday for the gym and then I felt like I wanted to put on my fancy watch because I never wear my fancy watch when I'm in my fancy outfits. I just always want to wear my Apple Watch. And so I took it out and put it in my gym bag and now I cannot find it. Like, oh no guys, manage. Like, I've seen persons before wearing 2 watches. I'm like, what the hell? I'm not gonna be doing that. Putting 2 watches on my hand for what? But then I don't know, what do you guys do? You just always wear your watch or you just do it without a watch? Like, the watch is there for a purpose, isn't it? It monitors your heartbeat, well, my heartbeat. It was one of the recommendations for me when I had my incident. So from then I just always wear my Apple Watch because I have an irregular heartbeat. So I wear it but I cannot find it. And this is trying to tell me it's time to upgrade because it's a series 5. But why am I gonna upgrade when my watch is fully working, functional? Morning. And my watch is fully functional. I don't need to upgrade. So I'm kind of I'm not even excited for Sigma. I'm not excited. Let me not say that. I just want to get over it. How are they gonna give me the juice and not give me the meal? I think they give it both of them at the same time. Okay. Alright, let's go back. Guys, I come here, come look, come watch Natty here. I stress out, stress right out. What's up, my fam? So I'm home now. Alright, I'll go get ready to do the swimsuit try on and unbox some packages that I got. Guys, can I believe $8,000 of pay for camera package? $8,000, and that's just the customs fees. With $4,700 for clearance for the weights. Okay, that's $12,000. That's not even 12 because it's like 4,000 something, so 12,000 something. I have to pay for clearing. But I'm gonna shower and come quickly, come do the try on and go to my dressing room and get some clothes altered. Okay, let me tell you about these tights now. So these tights are so form-fitting. Give me so much support, great support. I just hate the fact that when I run in, it rides up like this. Okay, but yeah. Help me to decide. Should I wear one of these? I don't like this kind of little bulge right here, but we're working on that. But I don't like that. But other than that, guys, it feels so good. It's so thick and it comes all the way up here. That is a big plus. So yeah. Alright guys, this is the second one. I hate the fact that I have to go back so far. Okay, now put this down. This is the second one. This color is so Alright, pretty. Alright, so this one is a yellow shirt, by the way. A yellow top that we have for the run tomorrow. So pink would probably could have pulled off. So I have pink in my shoe. But let me know, I'm gonna try on the blue one now. So this is what it looks like because all of me are exposed right now. But yeah, this is the blue one. I'd have to wear another underwear underneath this one. So right here, there's this girl outside running. Not a hot boy on this one. Why you do it? Why would you do that? That's crazy. But let's unbox these packages. Cost me so much money, like not even a repeat how much money all of these cost me. This looks really nice on the model. I just hope it looks good on me too. Nice, right? I like it. Why is coming out the hanger? First next to this door. I'm gonna put it on the hanger at the back side. This is a romper, guys. This is the romper. Weird, I've never seen anything like that before. And then this dress. This is a Calvin Klein. Black, my favorite color to wear. Why this looks so big? This is a size, I think it's size 12 because that's my size now. Yes, size 12. Oh, there we go. It's a very plain dress. Black. Honestly, guys, I'm gonna see one, the blue one. Oh, shucks, where is that? It's another black one. I'm gonna call them shipping there right now because I don't see the blue one. That's more than I love. What the hell? This is only 4.5 size. Guys, so Old Navy, ignorant for them send one little top for the baby in a package by itself after I ordered so many things. This is the top for her. So very cute. Well, guys, I'm off to call the shipping company now. Bye. See you tomorrow for the vlog.